Welcome, everyone. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to change your first name on Pinterest using the updated version of the app. It's a straightforward process, so let's jump right in. First things first, open the Pinterest app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look for the saved icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it, and then proceed to click on your profile icon. This will take you to your Pinterest profile. Now that you're on your profile, look for the Edit Profile option. It's usually located near the top of the screen. Tapping this will bring you to your profile settings, where you can adjust various aspects of your Pinterest presence. Once you're in the Edit Profile section, you'll see several editable fields, including your first name and surname. Simply tap on the First Name bar to start making changes. Erase your current first name and type in the new one you'd like to use. Whether it's a simple spelling correction, a complete name change, or just a preferred nickname, this is where you make it happen. After you've entered your new first name, double-check to make sure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied, look for the Done button, usually in the top right corner of the screen, and tap it to confirm your changes. And that's it. Your first name on Pinterest has now been updated. To verify, simply return to your profile to ensure the changes have been reflected correctly. This ensures that your updated name is visible to everyone who views your profile. Changing your name on Pinterest is a simple way to keep your profile up to date, whether due to a personal preference or to better reflect your brand. By following these steps, you can easily maintain an accurate and personalized presence on Pinterest. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks on using Pinterest and other social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.